Good morning. Welcome to today's 2020 Vision Hack Show. I'm Paul Wheels, your host, and today we're meeting team number 6 from Phase 2 Hack. AD-Link and Intel launched the 2020 Vision Hack in December 2020 to find innovative solutions to industrial problems using computer vision and edge computing. We received a phenomenal response of 115 submissions, with the 6 judges brought the teams and submissions together and came and brought it down to 10 teams for Phase 2. So let's have a look at the prizes that everybody's competing for.
Phase 1 winners will receive an AD-Link VisiAI Developer Kit, which is a bundle of powerful hardware and software to build your prototype with. The hardware is a Smart 2 board, which is industrial ready. It has a 4GB RAM, an Intel Atom 3940 CPU, and an Intel Myriad X VPU, so plenty of power for AI vision. The VisiAI also has very intuitive software included with it. The AD-Link Edge platform, which has vision tools, and OpenVINO and Node-RED included. As a Phase 2 team member, you will also receive direct support from Intel and AD-Link whilst you develop your prototype, so don't worry about support. The final prize. The winning team will win a cash prize of $10,000, but we don't stop there. An amazing opportunity to collaborate with AD-Link to validate the prototype with the market. That will include support and create marketing material like a press release, a promo video, a use case, a solution brief, and the support with organising meetings to validate your prototype with the market. This gives you a great foundation to really push forward in making an impact with your prototype. I think you agree this prize could be life-changing for you and your team, so good luck.
So that's the prizes, and let's meet the team. Today I'm pleased to introduce you to Team Insignia. They are developing a prototype which is based on the energy theme. Let's bring the team in. We've got Vaibhav. There we go. Morning, how are you? I should say afternoon.
That is correct, yeah. Hi, Paul. I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good, Welcome. Thanks for joining us this morning. Really excited to share to everybody yourself and your prototype. So first of all, would you like to introduce yourself?
Hello guys, this is Team Insignia. I'm Vaibhav Gautam. I am basically a software developer. So I did my engineering from University of Delhi, and then I get into some hardware stuff, started working with an electronics company, and then I can get into the computer vision. We solved some of the basic problems in computer vision, basically the basic banking problems which are there. And through that, my interest developed into computer vision a lot, and I started exploring this field even much deeper. So I started solving different problems with computer vision, and I thought like that there are some problems which are very risky and can be solved using computer vision. So why not give it a try?
Excellent. So you've got there's a couple of you in the team, isn't there? Would you like to tell us about your team member as well?
Yeah, my another team member is Piyush. Piyush is a very enthusiastic in computer vision, AI, ML, and also very enthusiastic in whatever trends is going on in the industry. And he will be a great addition to the team. And the way our team will work is we will distribute our work and we'll see what kind of innovations we can bring in the product, in the algorithm wise, and how we can make it something which even at the prototype state is market ready. We can try it in the market and see what we can achieve here.
Yeah. Would you like to tell everybody a little bit about the problem you're looking to solve under the energy theme?
Yeah. Actually, we are basically solving a problem in the energy side, transmission line side. So basically what happened is that we have seen so many times these high tension wires which are going from one city to other cities, and they are high voltage wires, and maintaining them is always a very, very difficult task. I have seen personally also people climbing these towers and managing these wires. Even sometimes the company take help of the helicopters. Those are specially designed helicopters, and the problem is that the risk of life is very huge here. Means if let's say something goes wrong, you may get electrocuted, or if you're trying to fix it using a helicopter, then there is a chance of an accident. So overall, the risk is very huge.
Hmm.
The maintenance is always a pain for the companies. They spend a huge amount of money in maintaining these lines, and also you cannot cut these lines. Means you cannot switch off the. Let's say we can just turn off
Yeah.
the transmission and then fix it. That is also a huge loss to the business. So it is always a pain, and I think why not we can solve this using some computer vision problem. See if let's say we can identify some patterns in the wire, in the pole, and different things. So if let's say a wire can be degraded in let's say to 10 days, why not we can just tell it in the first day that this is an issue in the wire, you can fix this
Hmm.
today, so that you can increase the lifespan of the wire so that less maintenance is required and less people have to risk their lives there.
Yeah. And so would this help sort of protect the environment from the risk of things like fires, like California suffered quite badly last year?
Yes, yes. In fact, if we identify the things in beforehand, so we can mitigate basically a risk management. We can mitigate some of the losses which may occur in maybe in future. Yeah,
So it's like
and it
predictive
is
maintenance as well.
profitable also. It is
Yeah.
profitable also for a company. Less maintenance charge, more lifespan of these wires. Yeah.
Yeah. So why use computer vision? What really motivated you to look at this hack and start to think about adopting computer vision for the solution?
Okay, we have used computer vision before also in some automation processing, and also we have developed before an app to prevent the accidents on the road. So we know that this is one of a very futuristic technology
Hmm.
which can help in mitigate so many issues. Means you can try to understand that even a basic pattern detecting, or maybe some object detecting can help in identifying, reducing, means help in reducing our efforts so much that a human eye or human manual maintenance cannot do. So it is something like computer vision is something like you are using the high performance technology, the processor technologies to do something which is not possible by human naked eye, or let's say
Hmm.
even a person just go and fix it on his own. So we are basically complementing the human effort and making it more better for human to basically solve these problems which are very risky.
Brilliant, brilliant. So we were chatting a little bit earlier just before we went live there about your experience with OpenVino, and you mentioned this is like your first project using
Yeah.
OpenVino. So how are you upskilling yourself? What tools are you using that Intel have provided with OpenVino to help yourself?
Yeah. Before that, we have extensively used other technologies for computer vision. So
Hmm.
we know that what are the different issues we felt. Personally, I felt with other technologies in solving the computer vision problem. But when I came to OpenVino, I saw that its first thing, it's very efficient. Second thing is that the on the hardware side is optimized, and as it is also provided by the Intel, so yeah, obviously
Hmm.
it will work much better. Plus, these so many trained algorithms are there. So sometimes it happens is that even if a basic image classification algorithm I have to use, I don't have to write that much of code. I can use some of the APIs, the codes which is provided by OpenVino framework, and I
Hmm.
can directly do it in seconds rather than writing a whole bunch of lines to just solve some basic problems. So in short, OpenVino is something which can be very productive for the people to develop algorithms. You can deploy your algorithm very fast, and third thing is that it is fast. Since
Hmm.
it is developed by Intel, Intel understands the hardware very well. So obviously it will be always be faster than the rest of the technologies. So even the hardware provided, you don't have to rely on the graphic cards. You can directly
Yeah.
use those get provided by Intel, and basically you can improve your productivity and the speed and focus on more solving the problem rather than all the secondary things which are there associated with machine learning and computer vision.
Yeah, and with the Viz AI, which hopefully you've received or will
Yeah.
receive, the single board developer kit from AD-Link, which has the Myriad VPU and the Intel E3940 CPU. It also has the AD-Link Edge platform on there, edge computing. So again, yeah, it helps you really configure and do less code, so you can focus on the models and then focusing on the outcome. So it should help you really accelerate with the prototype building phase, and hopefully with the success moving forward as well in the competition to win that $10,000 and the go-to-market support with Intel and AD-Link. Visi AI is available on arrow.com for $199. Just simply search Visi-AI, and there's US and EMEA power versions available on there. Viewer, thanks very much for your time this morning. It's been a pleasure meeting you. Good luck. Look forward to supporting you and the rest of the team on the Slack channel that we have, supporting everybody with members from Intel and AD-Link. Thanks very much, and look forward to chatting to you soon. Thanks now.
Same here, Paul. It's a pleasure. Thank you.
Cheers.
Thanks to Intel, thanks to AD-Link, and thanks to you, Paul.
Brilliant. Thanks now. Bye.